This is going to be a quick review of one of the finest hosting company around the town with the name of Hostinger, which I have been using from the last 5 years, and my experience so far is very good, which is why I'm here with a Hostinger review plus special discount deal for anyone who want to buy their hosting from Hostinger. They can simply click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy their amazing hosting from Hostinger. So let's get into the detail of this amazing and quick review regarding Hostinger. So why I opted for Hostinger was, first of all, 30 days money back guarantee was one thing in which I like regarding Hostinger. And if I scroll below, you can see around 65,000 review on Trustpilot. Let me look around in the review on what people are saying regarding Hostinger. So let me show you. Okay, 4.7 out of 5. This was a thing which inspired me to buy my hosting from Hostinger. So if you look around, it's very difficult to get this amazing review on Trustpilot, which is the industry's independent verified website for review. And if you look around in the reviews, you can see 5 star, 5 star. Fast and professional service. I decided to reach out to speak with a real person today. 5 stars, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. So almost all of the reviews are 5 stars. So this was the second reason I opted for Hostinger. And the first one is the 30 days money back guarantee. The second was this. And Hostinger is also being featured on almost all famous websites around the globe. Scroll below. Hostinger also provides you with their own website builder. It's an AI builder. You just have to give the command. It's automatically going to create the website. Okay, I liked it. I'm not using it because my website is in WordPress, but yeah, it's a good feature to be added on. Scroll below. Hostinger also supports WordPress. So if you are using WordPress like me, it's very easy and convenient to manage your website with Hostinger with WordPress. Also, Hostinger support you migrate to Hostinger. So if you are coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, Hostinger has a dedicated website migration service which is going to help you in transferring all of your website, that to free of cost, which was another thing. So because I was using already a hosting company and I wanted to migrate, so yeah, this was another thing which I like regarding Hostinger. These are the number statistics people are using Hostinger. Even I'm using it from the last 5 years. So it was 15 years when I started using, and now it's Hostinger at 20 years plus of experience. Scroll below, and these are some meet with Hostinger websites. And now you are on the special part. Okay, you can get as much as up to 89% discount. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code. Now I'm going to tell you how you can get amazing discount with Hostinger. So this coupon code is valid on any plan, but I recommend you to do a thorough research of all the plan features function before you are going to opt for anyone. For instance, I use the premium plan for the first year, and from second year onwards I'm using the business plan. So yeah, it works well for me. But look around on the demands, do a comparison with all the features, functions. For instance, in premium you're getting 20 GB storage, in the business you're getting 50 GB, and in the cloud you're getting 100 GB storage. So look around. In the premium you're getting SSD, in the business you're getting NVMe storage, which is even faster. Yeah, you're getting the most discount on over here with 10% more. It's more than 89% discount. So yeah, it's more than 89% if you click on the link in the description and use a business plan. But with the premium you're getting 85%, and in the cloud you're getting more than 81% discount if you click on the link in the description. So yeah, you also getting 30 days money back guarantee, cancel anytime, 24/7 support. So in this review, my opinion is to opt for the premium or the business plan to get the best out of the Hostinger, depending upon your requirement. So simply select the choose plan with any of the plan to get this amazing discount from Hostinger. So once you select the choose plan, now you are being redirected to another page. Now you can see that is a special exclusive deal for my audience over here, because you are watching this review and looking for an amazing deal from Hostinger. So it's a 3 months extra free with the limited time deal. Now opt for hosting billing periods. Hosting will offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24, and 48 months. But guys, this is a special deal for my audience. I'm here with an exclusive deal for my audience. I want you guys to take the maximum advantage of it. So opt for the 48 months so you can save the maximum amount of money. You are also getting a free domain and 3 extra months free as well. So see your order summary over here. Everything is loaded as per your convenience. And before you select the coupon code, you can select a free domain right now over here, or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. So now I'm going to write my free domain over here. So let's say I'm getting this one for free from Hostinger. So yeah, I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional for the domain, because the domains are only free for the first year. So you can see it's a free for the first year. I can see my discount over here. So it's a 79% discount over here, but you're also getting daily backup, 3 extra months free in addition to 79%. Plus select they have a coupon code and write this amazing Hostinger coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply over here and you're going to see that your price got a further discount on already running discount, so which is just amazing thing. Now there is another coupon code as well for the Hostinger. You can use either of the coupon code at Hostinger to get this amazing discount. Make sure to click on the link in the description in order to enjoy this special discount. So once you apply this one, just wait a second. You can see this discount is loaded. So 79% plus 10%, 89%. Plus daily backups, 3 extra months, free domain, all free, because you have clicked on the special discount link. After this, you can see your 30 days money back guarantee, your reviews on this at reviews on Trustpilot for Hostinger. Now simply select the continue to move on to the last part for Hostinger. You may be asked to log it at Hostinger, or you maybe need to create a new account. But since I'm already logged in, which is why I'm on the last part. Now I can see my order summary over here. For Hostinger, I can see everything is fine as per my expectation. So 1085 to 172 because I have clicked on the special discount link and I'm enjoying this amazing deal. So write your big details over here. Will not take much of your time. After this, simply select the continue and move on to the last part. And that is payments. Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay via credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have variety of methods to choose to pay your payment at Hostinger. So you can choose any as per convenience. For instance, if you are going with a credit card, which is one of the most common method to be used at Hostinger, simply write your credit card details and simply select the submit payment. And within a few minutes, you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. So yeah, just for a revision, I've been using Hostinger from last 5 years. My experience so far is very good, which is why I highly recommend you to enjoy your hosting from Hostinger. So a special discount link is mentioned in the description of this video. So use that plus either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount from Hostinger. So good luck from Hostinger. Good luck.